Hello students, in this video we will discuss about relation between A, B and C. What is the A, what is the B and what is the C? As you know that A is the half of length of major axis of the ellipse, B is the half of length of minor axis of the ellipse and C is the distance between both focus of the ellipse. Now if you draw the diagram of an ellipse, then this is the major axis denoted by AB, whose ends are AB, and minor axis is denoted by capital C, capital D, and coordinate of its axis is A, 0 and coordinate of B is minus A, 0. Since this is the F1 and this is the F2, that means this is the focus, first focus and this is the second focus. Coordinate of this focus is minus C, 0 and coordinate of this focus is C, 0. Since this is the center of ellipse lie on the origin and coordinate of this is 0, 0. Now as you know that length of minor axis is 2b, that means from this to this is the 2b, and length of major axis, that means this will be 2a. So from O to A is A and O to B is small a minus a, because this is the negative direction. Therefore, coordinate of first vertex of this ellipse is A, 0 and vertex of B, coordinate of B vertex is minus A, 0. Now OC is the half of this minor axis, this is B and this will be OD is the minus D. Since O to F2 will be C, because F1 to F2, that means this distance from F1 to F2 is 2C. Therefore OF2 will be C and OF1 is minus C. Now if you join C to F2 and C to F1, then triangle OF1C and OF2C will be right triangles. Will be right triangles. Now F1C plus F2C will be equal to F1A plus F2A by the definition of the ellipse. Now we can write F1A equal to F1O plus F2A F1A equal to F1O plus OA plus F2A. Now F1O means minus C. This will be F1O means minus C plus OA is the half of the major axis, that means A, plus F2A. This will be A minus C. Since F1O is the distance, so this sign will be positive because this is the distance. So C and C will be cancelled. This will be 2A. Now F1C plus F2C. F1C plus F2C will be equal to 2A. Since F1C whole square equal to B square plus C square and F2C whole square equal to B square plus C square. Therefore, F1C square equal to root under B square plus C square. F1C equal to root under B square plus C square and F2C equal to B square plus C square in under root 2. Therefore, F1C plus F2C equal to, if adding both, that means root under B square plus C square plus root under B square plus C square. This will be equal to 2 root under B square plus C square. Since F1C plus F2C is equal to 2A, so this will be 2A equal to 2 root under B square plus C square. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Then this will be A square equal to B square plus C square, squaring on both sides. So this is a relation between A, B and C. Now from this we can write A equal to root under B square plus C square. And if we want to find B square equal to or B square equal to A square minus C square, then this will be B equal to root under A square minus C square. Or in the form of C, this will be C square equal to A square minus B square. Therefore, C equal to root under A square minus B square. This is the relation between A, B and C. Now we can use our requirements A equal to or B equal to or C equal to anyone. Now in the next video we will discuss about next topic related to ellipse.